Ever wondered who's peeking at your Experian credit report? It's a question that crosses a lot of minds, and honestly, it's a pretty important one to understand. After all, that report holds a key to so many aspects of your financial life, from getting a loan to renting an apartment. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of who exactly gets to see this crucial piece of your financial puzzle. Think about the last time you applied for a credit card or maybe even a car loan. What happens behind the scenes? Well, the lender needs to assess how likely you are to pay back what you borrow, and that's where your credit report comes into play. Banks, credit unions, and other lending institutions are definitely among those who pull your Experian credit report. They're looking at your credit history, your payment patterns, and your outstanding debts to make informed decisions. But it's not just lenders. Landlords often check your credit report before handing over the keys to a new place. They want to ensure you have a responsible financial track record and are likely to pay your rent on time. Utility companies, like those providing electricity or gas, might also take a peek, especially if you're setting up a new account. They're gauging your creditworthiness as a predictor of payment reliability. Now, you might be thinking, can just anyone look at my credit report? Thankfully, the answer is a resounding no. There are strict rules and regulations in place, primarily through the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, that dictate who can access your credit information and for what purpose. These are known as permissible purposes. Beyond lenders, landlords, and utility companies, other entities might have a legitimate reason to view your Experian report. For instance, if you're applying for a job that involves handling finances or requires a certain level of trust, your potential employer might request a credit report, but only with your explicit consent. Similarly, insurance companies can use your credit information to help determine your premiums. It's also important to understand the difference between a hard inquiry and a soft inquiry. When you actively apply for credit, like a mortgage or a new credit card, that generates a hard inquiry on your credit report. These inquiries can slightly impact your credit score, especially if you have many in a short period. On the other hand, soft inquiries occur when you check your own credit report or when companies do background checks for pre-approved offers. These don't affect your credit score. Keeping an eye on who's pulling your credit is a smart financial move. You're entitled to a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, once a year through annualcreditreport.com. Reviewing these reports helps you spot any unauthorized access or errors that could be dragging down your score. So, while a variety of entities have legitimate reasons to access your Experian credit report, it's not a free-for-all. The FCRA provides crucial protections, ensuring your financial information is only accessed for specific, permissible purposes. Understanding who these entities are empowers you to be more proactive about managing your credit health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.